Your Uber Eats account is deactivated or suspended. Don't panic. We're here to help you get back to ordering your favorite meals. First, let's understand why this might have happened. Common reasons include violations of Uber Eats community guidelines, issues with payment methods, or suspicious account activity. Uber Eats aims to keep the platform safe and fair for everyone, so these measures are put in place to ensure that. To begin the appeal process, open the Uber Eats app. If you can't access the app, go to the Uber Eats help website on your computer or another device. Look for the account or my account section. Once you're in the help section, find the option related to account deactivation or suspension. This will typically be a specific category you can select. You'll likely be presented with a form to fill out. Be honest and thorough. Explain your side of the story clearly and concisely. If you believe there was a mistake or misunderstanding, state that respectfully. Include any relevant details that might support your case. For example, if you believe it was a payment issue, you might mention attempting to update your payment information or confirm recent transactions. After submitting your appeal, Uber Eats support will review your case. This process can take some time, so be patient. They may reach out to you for more information if needed. Keep an eye on your email, as this is how Uber Eats will likely communicate their decision. If your appeal is successful, your account will be reactivated. If your account is reactivated, congratulations. If it's not, carefully review their explanation and consider if there are further steps you can take or if you need to create a new account, keeping their guidelines in mind for the future. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.